Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Naveen Tamta Excel VBA. So in today's video we will learn group by formula. Earlier this formula was there in SQL or maybe in Power Query, but now this is available in Excel as well. How to use this formula? I have a data set here. In this data set, let's say if I want the total sum of amount basis of this ship mode. So how to achieve this? If I apply a pivot table here, let's say, um, here I am placing this and I want ship mode here and amount here. So in this case, what summary it is giving me? The total sum of amount in economy is this. Okay. But here I have means applied a pivot table or dragged some, values into my pivot table. But what exactly this group by formula is? Let's say if I am saying group by row fields, so I want this summary to be, you know, portrayed basis of the ship mode. So I will give the reference from start to end. I will just fix it. Basis of this, I want the sum. So as soon as I will press comma, it is asking me so many things like some percentage of average. So you can, analyze everything from here. I will just say sum and I will close my parenthesis. As soon as I will hit enter, it is giving me the same result which my pivot table has given me earlier. So this formula is faster than, pivot table or something. So if someone is asking for a quick summary of something using this formula, by using this formula, you can summarize it very quickly. And this is the topic for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care and Jai Hind.